lalela yezwa. Kwashuba lapho-ke bhuti omdala webhayi sebeyaqala manje bayangifuna. Yabo. Sebeyaqala manje sekube khona i-situation yokuthi manje we have certain cars ngasekhaya. Yabo. And into ithini bafuna u0. They have a picture yami phela angifihlanga ubuso.
Ayozange umfihlo ubuso.
And then it's like bayangifuna ke manje everyone ngasekhaya is getting asked ukuthi hayibo mshanami, do you know this guy? And then the whole community united kwathiwa hayibo simazi ubanye nalo siqasha umbona. Hayibo even abangani bami were like hayibo esihleli kwafika imoto they offers us imali kwathiwa no thina sitshena ukuthi ubani lo, we just looking for this person nje kuphela sifuna ukuyombingelela sama fans. And then my friends were like asimazi siqasha umbona ubani
white people
yeah blacks but whites yabo because laba abakwazi ukungithola
mhlawumbe FBI there
laba abakwazi ukungithola
phakathi. What up, Fetu? It's your boy, Sunday AM. Of course, you are watching the Basement Podcast with Sunday AM, the #1 podcast in KZN, if not the world. Yeah. Shout out to my subscribers. Shout out to everybody who's watching the show right now. I am a Fetu. I've got a very special guest today. We're going to be touch base izinto ezibalekile about politics, about iziningi nje mfethu Christianity, Matlanga Commission, TikTok, influencing, ziningi nje mfethu izinto zosho. But before we even start and go there, mfethu, please make sure ukuthi you are a subscriber and you also comment section. Kubalekile, share the video and make sure ukuthi yonke into esenzayo nale niba engage. 2 ngakhohlwa nje ukuthi sinali business eliseceleni ne lapho sarishisa khona nge sound system for ama party, birthdays and also nama private function, nama promotion or corruption. Corporate gigs. You can hit us up or share comment lapha we comment section if you funa izinto enjalo. Otherwise iyasha inyama lapha le top deck shisa nyama estationi and sesinama specialists akhona ke manje inyama singithola nje iplate log ngo R50. Sabonga kakhulu. Call us and we'll call you. Besides that, guys, let me just not waste your time right now. But didn't even do a research about this guy because he is a researcher himself. I'm sure you know saying research. Guys, welcome on the show. Ngicela ukwamukela u0.
Sanibonani ngihle nomnguni uye uqwabe ninenye ngabantu ngendaba nisidlula kuyabelethwa kanti ngidliwe inyama bhuti omdala. It's such an honor ukuthi ngihlale phansi nawe and learn from your wisdom. Ngiyabonga kakhulu ukuthi ungibize. This is amazing.
Lalela mntomnyama.
Yeah.
So 0 mfethu, everybody knows you ngokuthi u0. Kahle wena ubani?
Mina u0 uLuthando Makanya. Umngunami, we share the same name.
Oh my God,
ilokuthintana kumina.
Hey, ukufihlela into engaka.
Ngitshela
Kethe ngiyamthola lapha kuyimessage ayithakazela uthalo lo mfethu. Kodwa manje
abaphathi bezwe.
Abaphathi bezwe mathini siphethe lana mfethu. Yeah, uthini ngobhuti omdala uMax?
Legend nalo. I learned recently ngenzi live naye and I learned so much from his wisdom naye. I feel like ngifunda okuningi. I like ukuhlala nabantu abadala, abantu esebeyibonile indlela yaphambili because there's a long way to go when it comes to me in a vision on how I want South Africa to be.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
So I'm learning, I'm absorbing everything so that one day when I start the revolution, ngizokwazi ukuthi ngenze the right way.
Sure, my brother. Hey, mfethu ukhulumisa kwe politician and somebody ngathi usefunde kakhulu. Isikere?
Ngicela ngikelezile. I studied at Temlin first and then after that ngathi no, let me go study law. I did law, but along the way I got bored. I felt like this is not who I want to be.
Yeah.
Ngahlala phansi nabazali bami. Abazali bami are very strict. Mama unurse actually umetron. Epi School Hospital. My dad's a principal. So I had to sit them down and mention, okay, I don't want lento lempilo engifunela yona mina.
Sure.
Give me at least a few years to let me chase the vision enginayo. If kwenzeka ukuthi okay, after 2030 akhomnya yazo when it comes to the stream, then I'll continue, finish my degree, and then go phile corporate life, le 9 to 5. Engibona ukuthi ayiphilisi.
Speaking about our vision, what vision that you feel like iyona engakusebenzela?
When I do my videos, ngithini, the truth shall set you free. Ngenze sure ukuthi abantu abamnyama bayalalela. I believe so much in the black community. I believe ukuthi we come from the bloodlines of kings and queens.
Sure.
Kodwa manje, for some reason, system, for some reason, all of it local like South Africa doesn't favor umuntu omnyama. I'm against that because I see the corruption. Manje my whole vision ilele kutheni ukuthi umuntu omnyama kumele athuthuke. Umuntu omnyama deserves more ezweni lakhe. It isn't fair ukuthi we, the black community, abantu who originate from here, we own nothing ezweni lethu. We are nothing ezweni lethu. It makes no sense in me. Therefore, I'm advocating for umuntu omnyama. I'm a black nationalist enesifisa sokubona umuntu omnyama ethuthuka kwizwe lakhe. Yabo. So I'm fighting the system. I want to start a revolution. Ngeke ngiyibize ngepolitician.
Yeah.
No, it's not about the politics for me. It's about freeing abantu abamnyama. It's about ukuqala phansi the system itself and end all of this.
Yes.
They lied to us, Putumtala. They said we're free. But they didn't sit us down. What's okay? Jongoma sesitholile freedom. Let's redistribute the wealth. Asenze sure ukuthi abantu abamnyama bathole land, bathole livestock. Let's educate umuntu omnyama so they can create a generational wealth. Kunalokho, when Isita looks at us, they only see cheap labor.
Yeah.
They only see umuntu ozofuna umsebenzi.
Yeah.
They don't see umuntu ozokwazi naye ukuthi abe at the same level as bona.
They also treat us as subjects.
Yeah,
It was something that you can study like a monkey.
that is wrong.
We are clever monkeys, they say.
That is wrong.
Yeah,
It shouldn't be like
so
that.
the name Zero, why? Because I can feel like, as you said, good when I know you are a black nationalist, and then your name is Zero, and you talk about stuff like Asnaluto as abantu abamnyama, and it's lokhiza like mina nento Zero, and then why Zero?
Why Zero? Well, angidlala ibhola. Can't say mhlawumbe it's a great name. Mhlawumbe lafika ngifikela in a dream. No.
But
I used to play
so
soccer.
it resonates well with what you are representing.
What I'm representing. Well, I used to play soccer. Engangiboza back then. I like, especially on the field. Phakathi. Where ngikahle ibhola ngala yele. So amanchita used to try and figure out what ngikuthi until they realized it's okay. Angene palini. Kangene palini. We started winning ama games. Then it was like, okay, mangenile ngavimba. Angeni Paul, like abakor. So I was like, one day they were like, "Hey, boom, funu Zero angeni, he's on my team." Lasuka lapho till now, everyone who knows me, umbizango Zero. So I thought, why not? Let's go with it.
And it's a little sharp, because mina Zero ngikwazele ku TikTok, and when I see your videos, and that's where I thought, no, maybe one day, fanele ngihlangane nalentwana sikhulume le ndaba, because we might have same visions, but ama platforms ethahlukene, and also mkhabe expression esiyenza ngazo izinto zethu might be quite different. Now coming to TikTok, how that idea came about, and TikTok, is it your personal thing or your sebenza?
How it came about, I guess everything happened by accidents. Kotabatsi, there are no accidents, because I've always had this information. I've always been umuntu oyiqhakayo ukuthi what's really going on, right? So one day I decided, no man, since I'm not doing anything, I'm not the type of person othanda ukuphuma kakhulu. I was like, what's ngenza video eyodwa ngiposte sharing this information I have for umuntu ozobuka and naya research. And then it was like ngenza video. It blew up. Yabo. And then I did another one futhi ngakusasa just to test. Nayo futhi it blew up. Suddenly abantu started watching my videos. Suddenly abantu did their own research and figured out ukuthi lento engishoyo iyona. Safika lana ke la sikhona manje, whereby khona ivideo engayirelease ngikhuluma about a person obizwa ngo Paul O'Sullivan, and then I found ukuthi ku Madlanga Commission khulunyiwe nangaye lapha uGeneral Mkhwanazi spoke, and he said the same things I said ukuthi yena he was asking the question ukuthi ubani uPaul and why is it that he has so much influence in the political structure yala South Africa. No Bhekicele asked the same questions la bengiwabuza kwi-video yami, and then it was like, okay, it proves kubantu who doubted me ukuthi no, the information engiyikhiphayo, it is legit, into eyiyona.
But where do you get this information? Because my brother, hey, nami ngeke kwasha ama research because not this kanje.
You gotta dive deep. You gotta dive deep because izinto ey'ningi is hiding in plain sight. It's just that you gotta learn to pay attention. Yabo, remove all the noise eyenzekalayo, especially go TikTok. You can find ukuthi uzongena TikTok, you'll see video yama challenge, video abantu bedansa. Remove all of that is noise. All of that is meant to ukuthi it distracts umuntu omnyama. Once you learn to remove konke lokho ongena sidingo, uzoqala unotice ukuthi no man, I'll make an example. Kuzoba khona i-G20. There was going to be a G20, but before i-G20, randomly kwafika ama-Palestine la eSouth Africa. I-plane yabo yasuka from la isuka khona yadlula wonke amazwe yazolanda eSouth Africa, so that I feel like it was to agitate umuntu omnyama and shift i-direction to lama-Palestine, so that whatever is happening with G20, umuntu omnyama will not pay attention. Kanti before G20, what they did is, and it's funny, they were auctioning off izinto ey'ningi zala South Africa. You would find that manje njengoba isiphelile i-G20 kusanda kuvuka imine ekuthiwa i-Venpa mine. I did talk about this kwi-video yami, warning abantu to no, don't pay attention to ama-Palestine.
There's something going on this side.
That is a distraction. I then took them step by step ngibavezela what's really going on. They are auctioning off i-country, kwenzeka lokhu kudayiswa lokhu nalokhu, and then manje it's only now coming out ukuthi nope, sekuvuka imine ibizwa ngeVenpa, and all of that is going to benefit elinye izwe ayithina. Khona okunye okwenziwa ihapa yaseDurban is not 100% owned by us anymore. Imove through ama-shell companies izifikele eDubai, kuningi nje. And I try to warn abantu.
Because I've seen one of those videos where Nkosi Mrs. was signing some papers with some Arab nationalities. Then that was too deep because we don't know thina sabantu sign one. Now they figure out pano igcwala ama-Palestine, the next thing sekhona vampire mine sekhona in officially ukusho ukuthi lento uyayilandela and can I ask you a question?
Of course.
Are you a conspiracy theorist?
I like umbuzo wakho because I've been asked lo mbuzo kakhulu. I guess angithanda ukuphendula umbuzo ngomunye umbuzo, but if I release a video ngitshena ngento and you find that after a month lento engiyishilo iyenzeka, would you say it's a conspiracy noma bengizela ne-fact ukuthi ngisho kuqala uthini wena? What is it?
Because when we're on socials and you are not a politician, you are just simple guy. For me, it will be a conspiracy theory. But the problem with conspiracy theorists, they are our tato serious, and also they even no matter in a way about question, you'll never get to the bottom of the answer or something. But it is there. Everything is hidden in plain sight, which is true. But when I want to come on as an ordinary person, to us, just and South Africa, a conspiracy theory, you don't even think it is a conspiracy theory. No me yona no my not. But all I'm saying is, uyishokala you are not a conspiracy theorist.
Because if I said something, if I was to make something, it's I know man, kunama aliens and they're controlling the country. Yabona lapho ke angikuzelanga ne-proof.
Do you really believe ukuthi akhona ama-aliens?
We can't be alone. It's impossible to we exist sodwa nje. Kodwa manje that's something bazothi abantu ngiyahlanya.
Let me tell you something.
We cannot be alone.
Let me tell you something. I've just seen a video. The video talks about ukuthi thina as Earth kwi-galaxy there's like millions and millions.
Yeah.
So if ama aliens they wanted to spot us now, they are just gonna be lost because there's so much in the space esingaziwe ukuthi bona bodwa bangeza la kuthina. Mina nje mfethu zero, I don't believe ukuthi akhona ama-aliens. And why ama-aliens ehlezi lenda ke-America kuphela? Why ngelinye ilanga i-UFO itree eSouth Africa eLimpopo ke yabo sithi hayi mhlawumbe bayathakaza. I don't believe like that. Ngempela mhlawumbe yabo mhlawumbe ke Limpopo akhona ngoba bathi bandiza ngemshanelo ukuthi mhlawumbe i-alien kanti seyothakaza. Yabo ngisho. So mina I don't believe in that. Ukuthi akhona ama-aliens. Ngabe look at i-plane esisebenzisayo mesitravel. I-747 i-Boeing, it's tons and tons, but ifuna i-trust
eningi in order to launch.
So manje wena le flying sauce le ithatha yabo gravity thini lapho.
Yeah.
Yabo
Uqinisile lapho, but manje think about it this way. They have manipulated us ekutheni ukuthi there is this Jesus Christ person, this being. They made this whole Holy Bible thing. And lithi Bible, God created humans, Adam and Eve, wara. It doesn't talk about anything beyond that. Now, if kwenzeka one day we see prove the existence of aliens, it might dismantle this whole illusion yokuthi kanjani God created humans kuphela.
Yeah.
So it's scary going, and they will try to protect Leo structure because now it's a structure itself that forces umtomnyama to bow to Isita and see umlungu as the savior. I mean, think about it this way, Putumtala, because I did do this experiment.
Yeah.
I went to Google. I downloaded a random picture of Jesus Christ, and then I went around asking ingane from the age 10 and above, 18, who's this? A simple question.
Yeah.
Who's this? Ingane zajabula, zasho ngisho ukuthandaza ingane, this is the Lord and Savior, the wonder hero. And then I was like, okay, if ingane ikwazi ukuthi ibuke isithombe sesitha, right, somlungu, and see that person as the Savior, doesn't it mess with umqondo wabo? When one day behlangana nomlungu, they will automatically think less of themselves, mese bayapawa.
Which is true, my brother, because nami ngikhula bengazi ukuthi umlungu is the big thing. Even noma ngangifundela ukuthi ekugcineni ngizoba umlungu. Ngafunda mina aze afika 10 ngithi nje ngizoba umlungu. Khona la sekuthiwa ngizokhetha ama subjects. I-subject ngeke ukuzofuna ukuba umlungu. But to find out hayi lento mfethu umuntu uyozufa nje umlungu because yonke into sitshelwe ngathi abelungu even nawe unemali nje kuthiwa umlungu
umlungu manje
umuntu onomuzi omuhle lo muzi kumlungu ngayibona leyo imoto umlungu.
They played us from
so do you really believe that mhlawumbe kwakwenzeka ngempela uJesus is it for black people angifuna ukuthi aka exist he might have existed but does it really for us
as someone who advocates for abantu abamnyama kakhulu okay singasho because we don't want to make fun of religion yabanye abantu yabo singasho it's okay, let's say allegedly he existed, right? And allegedly he saved abantu, but manje we are not mentioned in that holy Bible yabo as abantu abamnyama. When they mention slavery, because they do mention slavery, but the only thing, there's a scripture, I think it's Exodus or something, city slave, obey your master. Yabo lento gets to me kakhulu kumuntu omnyama, because we know the context of igama lithi slave. It means umuntu omnyama, we were the slaves for 100 years. So of course by reflecting, manje it's a manipulation game. Obey your master wakho, who's the master? Isitha, right? And then you come to ukuthi manje, yes, this is 2025. Mina sikhuluma izinto zamanje 011. You can have umngane omlungu. You can take umngane wakho omlungu uhambe nawe eKasi, right? And then walk around emgaqweni. The first thing that will happen kuzofika udaka athi hayibo ucela ungiphe umsebenzi acela umngane. Come on.
Because yabona lo mlungu.
Abantu ingane zizojabula, omakhelwane bazobona engathi usuphumelele just because when you are walking around with umlungu. It's a mind game. We have been structured ekutheni ukuthi we see them better than thina
le
manje ngifuni leyo nto
yazi zero lento ihamba izifike Thotho Mjida unethekeni umlungu ayilethe elokishini ethothi imbini imbi lethekeni yayibona leyo nto kodwa ngoba manje umlungu sonke kusesiyayihalela ke la ithaveni ehamba nomlungu wayo uthi ubheka isisa yabo usubheka ngempela ku special book washo ubaba dokotela engamlayike iswapha injani yabo but abelungu on the other side they're taking our beautiful sisters bashaya the best yayibona leyo nto bashaya the best yabona nje ubothi yasalimala lama but back to our conversation bro do you really think Charlie Kirk, first of all, do you follow into America?
Yeah, I do. Kakhulu. I used to follow Charlie Kirk. He wasn't my favorite, but ke okunye wayikhuluma.
Mina, all I can say about Charlie Kirk is that yes, very brutal. He's just like you. Just being honest, yabo. I think the most of isn't that issue Charlie Kirk. Why it's abelungu ababa belungu. Ne? And then bantu bamnyama ibana abantu abamnyama mase ngalokho nisikhalela ukuthi nina nabantu abamnyama okay umunye uzothi hayi ba nani apartheid segregation eAmerica police brutality yes into ezokwenzeka kodwa mina ngithi uma umuntu omnyama ibo umuntu omnyama waseyababalela like let's come back to South Africa.
Of course.
South Africa, we have politicians, we have about Tokyo Sekwalo, we have everyone, Tony Yengeni's, Nelson Mandela's, Ramaphosa, but they have never ever built a town for black people. This city belongs to blacks, shops, buildings, everything. We are still in structures that say apartheid and still run by Isita. Yeah. So back to Charlie Kirk. Charlie Kirk has been assassinated, and there's a lot of conspiracy theorist theory around. Well, what's your take on that thing?
Hey, the guy spoke iqiniso lakhe. He lived his truth. May his soul rest in peace. He did advocate for into eningi, trying to, especially he used to attack kakhulu transgender community, trying to prove ukubona ukuthi lento yabo it's all mental yabo kanjani kanjani. So he ended up becoming the most hated person ever for speaking iqiniso lakhe. I don't like it what he said about abantu abamnyama. I hated that. I hate when Isita speaks ill of umuntu omnyama. Right.
Just tell us what baby mina I didn't get what he said.
Njengoba kadusho ukuthi uthi abantu abamnyama we shouldn't complain. Kusho ukuthi kahle kahle thina we should forget about the injustices that were done to us for more than 100 years. Siphile nje in peace knowing very well ukuthi we are owed so much. He spoke into eningi nje. And then in the end he was unalived by abantu bakhe, his own people that he loved so much.
But do you really feel now good we must not forget about June 16? Yes, we cannot forget about June 16s and those massacres abantu that paved the way. But do you really think fanele njalo silokho sithi ngoba uma usuhlupheka this days musubuyela ku June 16?
June 16. Okay, I like that. Umbuzo lo. It's a simple question, but the answer is very complicated. We can't ignore the past. We cannot forget or ignore what happened in the past because it shaped the present and it will continue to shape the future itself. If citizen we are forgetting on June 16, we are forgetting apartheid, peace, unity, and everything, that is fine. What are we gonna do about the current system that is benefiting Isita? What are we gonna do about the situation yomuntu omnyama who goes to university, gets a degree, gets a diploma, gets a master's, but still finds himself eyosebenza in a retail store because ama gatekeepers refuse to open doors for abantu abamnyama? Nithi we should ignore or we should forget about the past, but anisho ukuthi let's fix the current situation, let's redistribute the wealth and place umuntu omnyama kwi same level as Isita so that nathi sizoba ne future. I'm worried about the future of South Africa, the future yabantu abamnyama, because so many blacks bahleli esitolo, so many blacks bahleli ekhaya. The gatekeepers only open iminyango for just a few abancane, not all of us. Is that okay, bhuti omdala? Ngicela ngibuze lapho wena.
It's not okay, my brother, ukuthi nathi nje si-podcast la Basement Posse, we are struggling, yabo, even everything, black families, angihlala kaMashu, like everyone is struggling, but is trying, yabo. There's so many businesses kaMashu, catering in is there, which is true. What you're saying, ngiyakuvumela lapho. But back on your statement, where you said, wawukhuluma nogogo lapha, and that video TikTok, yeah, wakhuluma nomunye ugogo omlungu lapha, and you said, when I caught you ukuthi wathi ama-politicians, just like Bono Mandela laba and everybody, they were not supposed to say forgive and forget. They were supposed to fight and take. Mucabanga njobi corruption ingaka nje kanje ngabe sisa survivor through that statement that you said.
Yeah, and the statement was, I think the biggest mistakes our heroes made was they asked for forgiveness, they forgave Isita instead of wanting revenge, instead of wanting back what rightfully belonged to Umtomnyam. Now, what I meant by that is, I feel like we were cheated, right? They publicly announced ukuthi si free. They publicly announced ukuthi si free, but they did not sit us down isingabantu abamnyama noma bengeke bahlalise phansi the whole of South Africa, but they should have chosen ama-leaders, kwahlalwa phansi kwathiwa okay, let's speak about redistributing the wealth. Let's speak about lama businesses that were created by Isita esifuna ukuthi abenefitise umuntu omnyama. Let us create a future whereby we will not be seen as a cheap labor. We will be seen as abantu that are contributing towards the growth of Izwe. Nope. They only said we are free. Mtomnyama, you can now use the same toilets as Isita. Mtomnyama, you can now sit at the same restaurant as Isita. But they did not say, Mtomnyama, you can now own your restaurant ezoba franchised ezotholakala South Africa, China, America. Mtomnyama, let me teach you how ama stocks work, how ama bonds work. Mtomnyama, let us restructure. Let us restructure the education system. Khona ingeke ilokhu iqina ngo-Solvo X. It will also teach you izinto that will help you in the future. You will learn ukuthi createwa kanjani i-laptop. You will learn how i-network works. You will learn izinto ezokuyisa phambili. No, they didn't do that. They did not do that. I cannot blame otatamkhulu ababephila in the past. They didn't know any better.
Sure.
Yabo. But now we know better thing. We know izinto ezenzekayo. What are we doing about it? I want to learn ukuthi yenziwa kanjani i-app. I want to have a successful app njengo TikTok njengo YouTube. I want that now. But
hey, there's no information.
There's no information. They locked those doors for us. Yes, so that thina sizophila as abantu abasiza bona. When you go to work, when you work 24 hours a day, like we are season, it's a 9 to 5. And then you get a salary when you get a salary. Umuntu that owns that business, uhleli kumuzi wakhe. Whether it is a Sensen, whether it is Mhlanga, uhleli kamnandi.
Okay, because now, my next question was gonna be, looking at the political scene as a South Africa, what's your take on that? Will we ever be able to be a republic, a democratic, and also engaba fruitful? Because yes, Jobo Shobas Vimbel.
Yes.
But looking at this, how many political parties?
Emaningi.
We have 13 or 11 or 22. Each enango nombal musuphuma yakho, which is a divide and rule that was caused by Isita. Yes. But when, because I just like your way of thinking. Do you really think we'll ever come up?
Yeah, right. You're right. yeah, I can't constantly ngibe lapha ngithi sitha this sitha that. Now
Yeah.
abantu bethu abantu abamnyama are doing a few things are contributayo ekutheni ukuthi singayi phambili. When it comes to the political structure, for 30 years ANC has been running South Africa, and
But
they are doing what they are doing.
yeah.
And now we have a Democratic Alliance, which is also now doing what they are doing. And
Yeah.
you should say they are good, and you should say they are bad. It is what it is.
Yeah.
So I feel like in order to confuse Umnyama, that's when the method of introducing our political parties amaningi came in, because we are the majority la in South Africa, right? So if we all decided ukuthi we are gonna unite and support one political party, it will mean ukuthi sesiyaqala manje siyaphambili, sesiyaqala manje we are trying to reclaim into eningi, and isitha won't have any power.
Yeah.
Right? But since bona behlaniphile babona ukuthi nope, leyo nto ingenzeka, they then tossed it in baloke befunda a few people ukuthi nope, nali million here and there, go start your own political party, make some noise, abantu bakusupport, uyenze noise, usupport, uyenze political party yakho. Mhlambe let's say ukuthi wena hayi wena uzokhuluma about land distribution, uzophusha abantu ukuthi let's reclaim land. Yebo, omunye na uzoqala enye political party yakhe,
mhlambe athi ngiphethe umkhodo
ngiyabakwazi
omunye athi lende
yabo
la kuvikelwe nje isobho la.
Exactly. Omunye uthi ngeke asixosha ama-foreigner, let's focus lapho, kube isiphithiphithi umuntu omnyama confuse ukuthi okay, what should I do, ikiphi la right khona, and then mase you find ukuthi le political party le bona isitha esiyithandayo noma singayazi ukuthi yipi, but uthola ukuthi yona it's starting to have more power than the current political party le run South Africa, which is the ANC. So uthole in a situation whereby the ANC itself has to collaborate with isitha in order to run izwe. Now think about it. We are now collaborating with isitha allegedly. Who has more control? When masakuhleli phansi ke sekukhulunywa because phela money talks. As much as in a political party
But money
talks. Masakuhleli phansi kuzokuhlale phansi abantu abanemali la, abo Rupert and many more others. Ubani ozothi mekhuluma abe ne voice azwakale kakhulu, ilo nemali, and ubani onemali isitha. All right. So sesingasho ukuthi okay sesicollaborateile, but kwi-boardroom masekuhleli phansi ivoice yenemali izoya phambili, and lo nemali simbonile ubetholakala ngisho na kwi-White House the time uRamaphosa ebiziwe.
Mfethu ubengadingeki
but
he was there.
I hope abantu bambonile. Please go rewatch le video, you will see lo nemali ulaphaya kodwa kanayi political party. Why laphaya? Because imali yakhuluma.
Shithu yena orun the country bebe just bekhombisa nje uTrump ukuthi naye puppet ethu si under control,
but yonke into right, umsebenzi asuphazamisanga. Don't worry.
Nangu omunye la first skip besibovu athi aba foreigners awangeni, it's to cause chaos,
to confuse
abantu mfethu,
khona uthi abangene, khona uthi ayasibakhiphe. Umuntu omnyama udidekile manje, sesizovota soon and is divided.
As much as sididekile bafethu, Matlanga Commission, this is what I want to get from you as well. The Matlanga Commission, ngesikhuluma kakhulu ukuthi wathini uGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, we all know, and then nabantu aba implicator, we all know, Bobo Senzo Mchunu, Sibiyazi, this Julius Mkhwanazi. Na yabo yangididisa ke lo unegama lika Julius kodwa uMkhwanazi, yabo manje awusazi bekuthiwa Mkhwanazi thu uyajuluka enkantolo lapha, ukungathi ujuluka kanjani manje ukwenda kanti basho the Julius Mkhwanazi, yabo abawusazi, yabo. And then dispeke icela story naye lo 500,000 anobel kuyavela khona la
semali
sakahulwethi. The Matlanga Commission zero, when as a black nationalist and looking forward to a better future in country, with this Matlanga Commission, do you really think we will ever get to the truth, or maybe they are just playing us?
Playing us. Okay, it's more complicated, because and I think abantu might not agree with looking show, and it's fine if you don't agree with it. Umuntu has his or her own opinion. Umuntu kumele asebenzise ingqondo yakhe. But my opinion ithi kule madlanga commission kukhona abantu abakidnapwa, kukhona umuntu who recently been unalived. We are now questioning Khet Matlala, right? That is fine. That is fine. Siyakhuluma, kuya expose amaqiniso. But you find that khona umuntu who we recently discovered ukuthi stole 2 billion. And then kwathathwa imoto zakhe eyiblue ezinhle amaLamborghini.
Okay, ngiyakhumbula who's related to the leader.
The leader hero. Yeah. So lowo muntu lowo they only seized ama assets akhe. They did not sit us down kwathiwa okay, how did he steal 2 million and why didn't usazi get that red flag? You cannot, imali engaka cannot disappear kanjalo without usazi being alerted. Even 100,000 mangase kube khona indlela othola ngayo i-call ingena fast, i-call, but for some reason yena okwakhe kwathulakala. And yena asimthole eyochaza istory sakhe lapha kumadlanga commission.
So uthi wena manje sinalo mfethu khona ngathi Mangaung kodwa akuyo ikhona Mangaung unegama liya Mangaung. Okay. Is just a pun. Okay. Lo mthalo untshontsho 2 billion.
Yeah.
Seized yonke assets sayibona public. But kumadlanga we have someone who was trying to steal 368 million rands. Khet Matlala, and the whole of police payroll abakwi payroll yakhe from bonke bona balobe khuluma la. But mina ngiyakuvumelana nawe. Lapha kumadlanga kunama questions abangawabuza.
And lo muntu owabuzile khona ihero, oh my god, ngiyayilandela, and khona lo bhuti lo abamkidnap forget igama lakhe, but I respect him kakhulu. Ukwi MK party, and the way I'm questioning ngayo uzambize ngeHoodman.
Ungichazele mfethu mina ngis-out.
Yabo athi ngicwele ubone ukuthi manje umenza relax ngalendlela ukuthi usiyaqala manje ukhipha more than he should, right? That's why you find in some instances wavela kidnap. Luckily akanyamalalanga wabuya, but manje usebuyile and indlela yokuquestiona isishintshile, right? To show ukuthi no, mina ngithi it's all a publicity stunt. And Khet Matlala has been made leyo scapegoat imbuzi leyo ukuthi nje yokuthi badambisa abantu abamnyama baye kuba aggravated.
Shuthi lo update abamshanga le mpahla le yama drugs uyibona le kaXolani iplate dlala le kufekuthiwa ndoda ungalokho shakho size ngama drugs. Sithi hayi mina ngwazi kanjani kuthiwa advert bese kubuza alapha
phansi kombheda.
Ubona uthi khona bayithintile naphana bacisha ikamera bayi-order back hayi uyakhona. So all in all you say is
omunye akabehave angisolo ukuphazamisa, omunye akabehave bam-analyze ngoba manje usecina kakhulu useya beyond the script. That's why it's an illusion. Now my question is, okay, if this is all an illusion, it's all a script, ukudambisa umuntu omnyama, what's actually going on? And ngistressed ngalokho, trying to figure out so I can expose it early. Umuntu omnyama asheshe azi early ukuthi okay, njengoba siqinwa ngalento le which is an illusion, kwenzeka lokho behind the scenes. Now, ngistressed, ifocus yami lapho right now, trying to discover what's really going on. What are they trying to hide?
Because into shilo le wesiqala isho ukuthi there's a lot of distractions ukuze abantu abamnyama behlezi ehlathini. So nemadlanga could be something ezolokho siphanyekile la, and then something ehamba phansi esingayazi. Yabo nami nje myself I don't feel like imadlanga khona into ezoshintsha because there's on the commission was the same thing and other commissions there was the and
when are we seeing ama-arrest? Nalokho uyaxoxa. When are we seeing ama-arrest?
Ngithi uyazi ukuthi useshilo uKhet Matlala uthi lo mbopheni.
Abambophi.
Salokho bemdonsa kahle bemtukaba. Ba Grootman ukugijela isibhanolo leso hotel uyobuzwa. Ayawuphinde ubuyele ekhaya.
no arrest.
Yayibona nje into engishoyo. But Fethu, I really feel like when mina nawe we are in the same part politically. Ngangenzesibhilivela kuzona. But before ngikhuluma nje about le nto yakho Freemason. By the way guys, Zero weba ne situation la wangafanele manje aphumele ekhaya after that. I was very touched ngithi mina bazomqashula ngoba nawe mfethu uyawahlaza suwahlaze yonke into ukufanele le information ucela uzohamba apha. Bebo nje ukubona le nto uthe nake ezoyiqashula nje yabona mfethu. But before we even dive to that one, I think ngike ngakubuza before ukuthi mina ngakutshela mina ngathi mina I am a flat earth. Kazi ukuthi umhlaba u-flat njengale tafula.
Okay.
Futhi ungasuka usuke la ka A uya ka B ngeke ufike ka B. I believe that ukuthi lama moon leminye imihlaba kuthiwa uJupiter uMercury is just types of moon in different places. But on the same planet. I feel like we are on one planet. Like South Africa's langa lethu, we have our own sun and our own moon. Because mengase ngikubuze manje ngithi mhlambe let's say kuyashisa la ngoDecember. Kodwa just lapha eAntarctica kusa iAntarctica iseduze kweCape Town ushona leza. Ayisawumelt kukhezi kubanda. So ilanga lethu liyakhanyisa yini eNigeria. Ilanga lethu liyakhanyisa yini eCongo or Cameroon kusayi same sun le yethu le because that's why ngithi mina indawo iregion neregion inilanga lakhona ama weather patterns ahlukene akhona. So I believe ukuthi uma ungasekuthiwa manje ngisuke ngene kwi-Indian Ocean ngishone le ngingahamba ngize ngife ngeke ngize ngithole ukuthi kune edge
ngiyakuzwa ukuthi
because yazi indaba ngikhuluma manje ngoba phela ngiyamazi upastor uyaweza lama research kodwa manje angazi ngimuze ekhuluma ngokuthi umhlaba u-round ngempela sikhule kuthiwa umhlaba u-round yabona le light le slide i-lighter once kanje so fanele ngabe yonke le mic le ilayithekile kodwa ngala kodwa i-moon iyaba u-half ibe u-full ibe ucezu ibe yini.
According to Leo theory leyo if ukuthi nami I've never touched on it.
No, ngifuna ukufaka impela ngoba wena ucathi uhlakaniphile nami ngifuna ukubamba mina before yazini ngangathi ngisuka ekhaya kaMashu ngiya eClermont ngiyolanda wena. Ngayithola between i-moon and the sun.
Oh wow.
So if ngihamba ngemoto ngibuka esibukweni lesesibheke emuva ngithola i-sun is rising.
Okay.
Ne? But the moon is also
setting.
Nice setting. Like I was in between. Then you tell me ukuthi lokho kuwenzeka in same time eAmerica or maybe akayi America. Angithi nje eBotswana.
Ngiyakuzwa yazi according to that theory bathi abantu okay let's say the earth is flat, this is the earth. Abantu bane theory ukuthi Antarctica kanje they are more like i-belt, they call it i-belt evalile khona umuntu angeyakwazi ukuya ngale, right? Now according to le theory yakho shuthi this is the sun, it's rotating mhlawumbe isi South Africa manje izoloku irotate kanje. That's what they say bona. And the moon yona is stuck rotating along with the sun. Now shuthi ngala njengoba kunelanga ngale kumnyama because it rotates through that axis yakhona. Angazi because I've never really seen it. Nami ngikholwa ngokubona njengoba ibambelele. My question is okay, ibambelele, right? And where does gravity
if it's ibambelele? Okay, let's say if it's ibambelele, then my other question is uma ibhola umhlaba like they say all round. You play lento yenza ukuthi wona untante. Two, why nobody has ever never this has ever never afike kwi-edge like la ulwandle lethu bese libuyela ngala. So why futhi amabhanoyi ama-instrument akhona asebenza ngelevel awekho curve So mina I was hoping ukuthi
Cause yeah, I spells go, I spells, but I spells or I swall. You
I-ice wall mina nje
not, no not.
lalela Silo ungangiphikisi mfethu umhlaba uflat ungahamba uzofika edesert uphume kwi-desert ungene emanzini uphume emanzini ungene ku-ayisi uphinde uphume bese kuthi o-Mercury o-Jupiter obani I feel like bama just moons
nje.
yayibona leyo nto ukuthi inyanga yale i-region inyanga yale region inyanga yale akekho umuntu wakwaye enyangeni
Akekho.
uyifikaze ngithi mina ngangahlangana naye inyanga ngibuka ibhola elingakanani idla eduze nesun is idla manje uchaza ukuthi isiwayenziwa yini ibe ncane ibuye ibe nguwe ibe
Basikambela abanga bathi kwaba khona i-moon landing. Masubuka engayibuka the clip of i-moon landing, you find that ukuthi manje asobona ama stars. You find that ukuthi the time bebeka ilokhuzana i-flag babeka i-flag and manje it was bintanta. Uqhamuka phi umoya kwemoon.
ngoba phela kuthiwa phela kuyabanda akho
umuntu. And when they landed bane clip ukuyibukisise leya clip kukhona ikhamera ebheke phezulu ibuka the ship ilenda. Ushuthi nje mina sisanda kufika endaweni kodwa manje sisanda kufika. Yabo sishuthe kanjani sisanda kufika kodwa manje I'm serious yazi iclip ye-moon landing iyabonakala iship ilenda. Now the question is sifike nini kusho bekhona umuntu ofike kuqala and then wathi ngiyafiturize ke manje lendani le
So this means the reason why I'm bringing that up is just to show abantu ukuthi maybe abanye ba confused what are we talking about. No, it's just to show ukuthi there's a lot ezinto zasemhlabeni ezamanga that you think you know but you don't know. Sometimes we are feed izinto ezi wrong so that you could stay focused or noma ube stereotype ngendlela or narrative abayipushayo yabo of which lento sikhuluma nawe namhlanje it's very deep umuntu angayithatha lightly uthi lazi sebeyasihlanyela sibekhuluma ngokuthi umuntu vele umhlaba round yabo uzangwenze research but now the reason why ngikufuna ukuze namhlanje ngithi ngube ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi yabo nje mfethu ngendlela ohlakaniphe ngana ngendlela mfethu owenza content yakho ngakhona and I'm thinking now you are lapha ko 400 and something k is it only TikTok or maybe
ngitholakala on TikTok ngina 500 siyali the aim is 1 million gonna spread the word and then Facebook ngakona ngikhona but ngicina ukuposta ama video ngiyaposta ku Facebook ngiyaposta ku Instagram ngiyaposta na ku YouTube right I post the same videos everywhere it's Uziro Africa or Uziro when you type Zero I'm the first that appears so uzongibona either way that's me.
Have you ever thought maybe because of your content and what's the stuff that you say or talk about uwenze some sort of event gathering Charlie Kirk style where abantu we can come
they ask questions
maybe we can I mean I like create some debate about stuff it's just that most of the time I'm a guest this one let's tell kuba ma artist
bayakubora kahle kahle
yeah cause bazoshinto eyodwa yabo bazosho ukuthi ngikhiphile ngasebenza noTira kuma comments yini uhlezi ukhuluma ngoTira manje nama into engayenza ngoba everyone oseThekwini useke wasebenza noTira yabo so it's always that narrative engathi lapha contest funeka iqhiqiza kuTira na akafuni ukuzalana ngoba manje sizomhlephisa so I like what you just did today asikaze sikhulume ngoTira
ngeke bengikhulume ngoTira ngizothini anginankinga naye I grew up listening to him angazi ngizothini
nawe sezowasho ukuthi lezi yanginaka njalo Tira namhlanje
sithini ukuthi ngikhuluma nge-music industry the only thing I might touch ukuthi ama record label are controlling the system now itself because they do have ama-bots you find that the artist could release ingoma thola ukuthi you a famous artist wena but omdala yourself and then mhlawumbe you haven't released a song isikhathi eside and then you release a single manje sebezoyiphusha le single yakho ke thola ukuthi usuna millions of streams kodwa kahle kahle they use ama-bots mhlawumbe thola ukuthi you have only 2 million abantu your real followers or 100,000 it does happen lento ama-bots which is very deep
a new thing coming to South Africa.
Abazi abantu
bots are robots guys by the way ngiyaphila le audience
ama-bots ama-robots to boost the image kube ngathi uyalalelwa
so mfana
yeah bhuti omdala
abelungu babefuna ukubulalelana because we talked wena phela ukhuluma ngama Rothschilds ukhuluma ngabo Rupert ukhuluma with this theory now ngitshela ngayo what really happened there before we close the show, because I feel like we have covered everything and then nami ngikhuluma isigisi namhlanje ngenyewa phetho phakathi yoqobo yeye bathi nje bafana badedelele ngoJoji.
Yes, ngiyakuzwa bhuti omdala. Okay, let's talk about this. What happened is I did a video. I had an idea. Ngavuka ekuseni and I had an idea. Uthi no man, there's this church that I've been hearing about kuthiwa ama-Freemasons. I thought ukuthi it's time for me ukuthi ngichazele abantu ukuthi who are ama-Freemasons, how to identify them, what do they represent, right? Because you would find that ukuthi nabo they are hiding in plain sight. It's just that umuntu omnyama hasn't been conditioned ukuthi bababone, right? So first video I made, I talked about uNasty C. Uzongixolele bhuti omdala. I talked about uNasty C, right? Ngamncoma, chaza i-background yakhe, everything from start to finish, engikwaziyo ngaye ukuthi usukaphi kanjani kanjani. Ngamncoma his work because he has done so amazing.
Yes.
And then I went deeper. Ngaqala ngachaza ngathi abantu what are the rings that he wears? Pay attention to the rings. Ngawaveza ama-ring kuyithombe. Ngathi these rings anama-symbol. Ngiyawazi lama-symbols lawo. And then it was time to dive deep lapho bese ngiyaqala ngiyachaza ukuthi no muntu omnyama, there's this thing called ama-Freemasons. Yes. Sengiyabachazela ukuthi la ama-Freemasons laba they are found all over the world. They control many aspects of izinto la emhlabeni, especially with any public space. They are the ones who decide ukuthi wena sikuphi fame, wena siyancisha, right? Khona sizokwazi ukucontrola that narrative, right? And then I did a second video la khona sengi-introduce the concept itself of ama-Freemasons. Sengibaqala ngababuyisele emumva, because umuntu in order to understand kwenzekalani kumele umbuyisele emumva. Ngathi okay, once upon a time we had abantu ekuthiwa ama-founding fathers. Ama-founding fathers laba abantu abadecide one day they lived in the past. They were tired of working. They are tired of ukuthi baphile impilo enzima. They wanted an easy way out. So they went in search of ibhuku ekuthiwa it is the book of Imhotep, right? Or uSetaphai. Kukwena ukuthi who do you uthuba Imhotep uSetaphai. Lelo bhuku allowed them or gave them that strength ukuthi bakwazi ukuthola the certain deities, right? Le deities ibanike bayibiza i-deities. Kuwena uthi it's a fairy tale noma it's real, but bakwazi uyibiza i-deities bakhuluma naye bayitshela no, thina we are tired of working. We want to ukuthi si-escape this whole cycle of poverty. Sisize, so help us help the next generation. And so they made that deal so and so, and then they became wealthy. Bakhetha ama-fields they separated. Kukhona ama-Rothschild, bona they chose to conquer the oil industry. That's why sinama company njengo Shell and numerous companies, they are all under one company, under one corporation, which is run by ama-Rothschild. We also have abanye that chose to go their separate path and bakhetha amanye ama-fields abo maningi lemndeni. I think it's 5, right? I explained lokho. Ngase sengiyachaza ukuthi kule deal yabo they had to ukuthi ba include abanye abantu, and so the Freemasons were born or were created. Mawi Freemason, it's like ungena under the umbrella of le deal eyenziwa. Yes. And then ngase ngiya-introduce sengiyabatshena abantu ukuthi kune-symbolism laphaya, ama-symbol abhalwayo, mese kuba nama-ring akhona abawagqokayo. Nama-ring asiza ukuthi they can be identified noma kuthiwa bakiphi.
You just check the ring.
Not ungangena kwi-hotel awunamali but ugqoka i-ring. You will then show them the ring. You will then do the handshake. Bazobona you are one of us. Uzongena ngesicaphe kumele ungene ngaso. You get nje sikuvulela iminyango. Sikuvulela iminyango. I explained lokho, symbolism konke lokho ngabachazela ngabathatha step by step abantu siba understand.
Bakuthola kanjani?
And then no, let's deep. Ngaveza ngisho yazi mina ngaveza ngisho izithombe zabantu abagqoke like abantu abafamous, abantu who are big in the political space, emasontweni, na kwi music ngaveza ama ring.
Yeah.
bawabona mara even politicians sesenzoyibhekela nini uthi ngisho ba there's this politician eseke yaphatha le South Africa yayidume kakhulu ngeringi yakhe wayigqoke yayimnyama futhi inokumnyama inkulu inokumnyama la uzibhekele wena uthi ngisho ba yeah I spoke about all of that and then kwashubaka after that kwashubaka after that because manje these 3 videos avele ashaya 1 million in one day right it's like ngawenza lama video insuku ilandelana avela trend kuyimanje I think they are sitting on 8 million each
uzango delete
yabo they are sitting on 8 million each lalela yeso kwashuba lapho ke bhuti omdala webhayi sebeyaqala manje bayangifuna yabo sebeyaqala manje sekube khona isituation yokuthi manje we have certain cars ngasekhaya yabo and into ithini bafuna u0 they have a picture yampela angifihlanga ubuso
ayozangumfihla ubuso
and then it's like bayangifuna ke manje everyone ngasekhaya is getting asked ukuthi hayibo mshanami do you know this guy and then the whole community united kwathiwa hayibo simazi ubanye nalo siqasha umbona hayibo even abangani bami were like hayibo esihleli kwafika imoto they offers us imali kwathiwa no thina sitshena ukuthi ubantu we just looking for this person nje kuphela sifuna ukuyombingelela sama fans and then my friends were like asimazi qasha umbona ubaye
white people
yeah blacks but whites yabo because laba abakwazi ukungithola
mhlawumbe FBI
there laba abakwazi ukungithola phakathi kasi laba abakwazi ukungithola babe ba5 bengena befika lapha kumina endlini luckily I was home alone on that day ubhuti wami omncane esesikoleni he was out nje uma emsebenzini I was just alone ngihlalele iBoil TV random day kulukudu abantu without even knocking kulukudu endlini usibadlule kanjani egate nangazi kodwa nje sebetheleke endlini and ngeke ulokhi as awulokhi uyarelax phela ukini you wouldn't expect how kulukudu abantu abawu5 nomlungu oyedwa so 5 there were 4 people 4 blacks nomlungu oyedwa then it was like sesikutholile babhuti what we want from you let's phone yabo then I was like ngarelax yazi ezinye izinto vele wamkele it's okay mhlambe it's my time
this is it
I tried ukusiza abantu abamnyama I tried to reveal iqiniso and manje sesishayela isikhathi it's come back to bite me okay they were like let's phone bot banike ifone bathatha ifone bangena ku TikTok bathi yazi uzokwenza njani ke you're going to make a video right now kule video uyaxolisa kule video you are telling abantu ukuthi everything you said was a lie you just wanted the attention you were asking for forgiveness yeah ngabona okay njengamanje I'm about to create my last video sengokwaziwa ngale video sekuphelile ngami so I sat down bayibeka ifone kahle lapha yana basho ba press uplay basho ukuthi okay enze video I did the video yabo because phela babeziningi ukuzoqhweba yabo ngizoqhwebeka one wrong move ngizoqhwebeka right there yabo kuphela ngami so I did the video na kwi video I'm apologizing but I'm giving ama signs kubantu ukuthi babone no angedwa angikho comfortable nalento engiyenzayo yabo and then
I think I saw that video
ngixolisa nje yabo ilapha usiphela indoda ekhala kodwa could feel inyembezi
iqhamuka mhlawumbe ayigagela lapha lapha FBI sebefikile bathi yandoda
and then I did the video ngayiposta instantly ivideo ya trend abantu bangithanda abantu very supportive
bathanda kakhulu
instantly ivideo ya trend bamile nabo labantu bayibuka ivideo iloku ya trend mina ngihlaliswe kusofa right they are deciding my fate ke manje uthi kwenzekalani ngami yabo babuka ivideo hits 10,000 kuma minutes kusama minutes hits 20,000 ngaphindi ngisho hour right babona okay hayi ivideo sipostiwe manje they then bacisha uTikTok they destroyed my phone right but destroy phone yami baqede bakhuluma bodwa ke nalomlungu wabo because beqasha ukungena umlungu ekhaya ezinye izimele ubuye ihleka bothi eqasha ukungena umlungu so yeah they decided ukuthi senze njani guy baxoxa bodwa nami ngimile like ngathini ngihleli phansi ngiyasho ngaphakathi uthi okay I tried ngisho noma ngikhuluma lento I'm shaking yabo ngiyasho ukuthi okay I tried my best ukusiza umuntu omnyama I tried my best to represent the black community ngibaphaphamisa okay njengoba njengamanje ngizokwenza lento eyenzekalayo I have to understand ukuthi okay ngubhuti omdala ekhaya I'm the firstborn but manje I'm leaving it all to iy'ngane zasekhaya. Ngiyasho ngomqondo yabo, ngiyacabanga ukuthi okay, it's fine. Ngicabanga nosisi wami la ekhona ukuthi okay, hayi uzokhula be right, she's on the right path. Cabanga ubhuti wami omncane ngizomshisa amncane kanje. Yabo ngiyasho ukuthi okay, I tried. I really love abantu abamnyama. I did what I could. It's fine. Ngiyabo uloku uzama ukukhulumisa, uzama ukuthi uyipholise wena uthi hayi it's fine. Whatever happens happens. Kulungile.
Cishe wafana no Malcolm X, cishe wafana no Martin Luther King, cishe wafana no wale South Africa bethu uMosho lo bamshaya ngempompo bethu Chrisani. Phela abantu abamnyama will always have this one person othi uyazizamela. Bese kuyavala. I can't talk about Nelson because Nelson just died naturally. And then usesemalini manje. And then nezinye
simthole emalini, but luckily they didn't unalive me yabo. Randomly they just bavele baphuma yabo. Futhi baphuma nami ngagijima ngaye ekamereni yabo, ngiyolanda nami into khona nje something ngekhona yasho baba. For panic yabo, mase upanic uvela ungasacabanga phela
ayobona kanje ngekhoto ongayenza
wena. Ngicabanga imncane nginje, it's just a panic ukushake. Angeke we hayibo, just ukushake. And then kaphuma ngithi ngiyafika imoto abafiki ngaba ayisekho yabo. And then ngihlala phansi. Minutes later kufika abangani bami bathi we saw the video, kwenzakalani, ngabachazela ukuthi kwenzakalani, bathi no asihambeni samsobabheka yabo, samsobabheka begcwele kwi-Avance amachita, bathi ngeke baphume ikasi laba
awuzwe uzobheka CIA ngi-Avance
yabo, begcwele ngathi no mina ngeke. I think bese ukuphanika nokutatazeka ngathi amachita ngi-right, mina ngizohlala la amachita ahamba amahamba ikasi. Many people abangilandeleyo including abantu in the taxi industry, it was just a matter of ukuthi manje ama-exits aphumayo ikasi agadiwe. We want to see le moto le nomlungu yabo. All of that happening in just one day. But they managed to phuma ukuthi kanjani, which means ukhona umuntu owayesebenzisana nabo.
Ngeke ngibathi
angazi.
They always win. Like I told you before, even the conspiracy theorists, ingasho information angempela, got the answer. You'll never get it.
But I'll never forget Labaya.
No.
Umuntu engathi mangimbona ngisho ukuthi nawe ukhona. I'm still alive, bro.
So the future, what future holds for you? Are we gonna see you like in Bozilo to Zowenza rally? Are you gonna join some political party, or are you expanding your network?
Yeah.
And then what's going on?
The future hasn't been written. Manje, I'm doing my best to help emphakathini. I do have a Zero Foundation. Siyahamba sey'koleni, trying to wake up iy'ngane, siba-teach on what's really going on. We do ama feeding scheme, feeding abantu abamnyama, helping out. I help out nje la ngasiza khona ngalamandla ngisanawo. If uNkulunkulu gives me more, I also do more for abantu abamnyama, right? And when it comes to, I don't consider myself a politician. I just noma I'm a revolutionist, noma ngizothini, kodwa nje I don't believe in politics. I just seek a revolution ezokwazi ukusiza umuntu omnyama. If ukhona umuntu out there who's smarter than me, or othi nje naye angakwazi ukusiza, ngithi they should come join me. One day I will start that movement or revolution. I'm collecting abantu abahlakaniphile than me, because I don't want lento to be centered around uzero. Kube ngathi hayi i-movement ya zero. No, ngifuna kube ngathi sisonke.
Sure.
We are doing this for the better of abantu abamnyama, right? That's why manje I'm still collecting. I sing nama supporters amaningi, abo Dr. Malinga sisakhuluma naye lapha ku live. Uthi na ngicela ngisupport Dr. Malinga, Amani Dube, abo Dominique,
Max
Makhanya.
Now I'm part of it now.
Abo Bhuti omdala naye la uthi is willing siza la ikhona. Many more fans, but nje we are ready whenever uthi wena it's time. Sizofika, we will help you. Sizobona kwamanje is for me to draft out the plan ukuthi how will the revolution begin. Siqalaphi ukuvusa umqondo womuntu omnyama, because as much as isiphila uhlale ekasi ubone ngathi izinto hopeless. First, free your mind, because environment yakho you can't do anything. Wishintshe kwamanje, there's always gonna be loyo malume loyo osekasi ozohlezi ethi mshanami awuphuza uphi asekuDecember siphuze yabo. There's always gonna be abangani abathi hayi basamsoshuka lapha yana kwenzekalani yabo, but wena if you learn ukuthi ngiyengithini be a leader when I'm mentoring ingane with space ngithi kubona don't be a follower, be a leader. Learn ukuyicabangela wena so that if i-environment yakhe isik-attack nge-toxicity isebekutshena izinto ey'bhedayo already la kuqinile la uyazi wena une-foundation uyazi ukuthi ikuphi okuright ikuphi okurong. So u-ankeli lo ozama ukukuwisa okutshena ngotshwala kuDisemba uzokwazi ukubhlokha lokho uthi hayi ankeli khululeka ekhaya kade wagcina ukupenda ngizothenga upende ngale mali lengizophuza ngayo siyabo upendile kini sekupendiwe upende wena bajabula abazali mhlawumbe usho uthe ekhaya ifridge liyabheda yazi ngifuna ukuthenga ifridge elisha thenga ifridge elisha. The little things ozenzayo to improve situation yakini to improve wena ngokomqondo ku right then ukuletha the external environment bacorrupt bacorrupt manje ngilwa nalokho ngiyipreacher lento zizingihleka ingane because mostly they know me manje. The first thing I say ngithi don't be a follower, be a leader. Zicabangele wena
Sabonga kakhulu mfethu. 26 December umgababa lapha ya kune Coastal Lounge uBramdu wenza i Durban Jazz Festival. 26 December Coastal Lounge. Also mhla 1 Nickel Diamonds or Sheleme Production. I'm gonna be hosting that thing. Fanele ukufika kula ma shows. Ngikuphatha ke manje. Kodwa lapha kanziwe izinto. Also we have mhla 1 Nanda Dam. Shawe Shosholoza kuthiwa Shosholoza Festival. So please support you guys bangibhukile labo bantu so ngeke ngaba mention guys kule platform yabo. Sabonga kakhulu ngama bookings and if guys ndinga ngempela sound ikhona sound for high if want cameramen videos yonke lento akhona ama camera anything ethinta content sikhona. Please subscribe. Make sure angithanda ukutshela abantu subscribe bayazazela ukufanele subscribe bazoku bancane subscribe basa nina
funa uncengo
subscribe lapho yabona. Thank you so much Zero mfethu. Ayopho makhanya ophakathi wayo mfethu bakufikele kuyo yonke into ophezulu kwayo mfethu futhi engathi ungaphumelela. I just wanna see you ngikubona uhamba ama-varsity ngikubona uhamba iy'kole uhambe mfethu uchazele ingane about this whole situation and uzoba successful my brother. This is not your last time coming to this show. You are coming back for more info, for more updates, stuff like that. And maybe one day we'll have a debate on one topic or something because ngiyabona ukuthi wethu zefuna ukushaya abantu namhlanje kubalekile namhlanje. But thank you so much my brother.
Bonga mina, it's an honor to be in your presence.
Bethu ungabathinta ke kuma socials bakufollow kuphi kanjani?
If you want to find me at Zero Africa on all digital platforms or Verotypo Zero, I'm the first person who's going to appear and I'll teach you. You will learn a lot from me. Learn a lot. And I'm learning a lot from Uputo Mdala. Your wisdom, it's priceless. Gabonga.
Thank you. My rebels, peace and we out.
Thank you.